Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch you later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Price is still inside this major. Didn't tap the 50% yet. There is this major below. Price tap the beginning of the major above, so maybe you can tap here and then go up. On H1 there's this. Look, the beginning looks mitigated because of this wick, so maybe the 50% is still open, and maybe this can also stop price. Take this liquidity, step this POI, and then go up. And inside here, price tap this POI, came down. We took this, and we have this liquidity. This is H1 slash H4. That is a third candle formation. We took this liquidity and we are going up. Let me just mark this liquidity above. Yeah, I think that's it. Was this equal highs? Yeah, was equal highs. Got taken now. M1 was mitigating down, took this liquidity, and now gave a reaction. We took liquidity, didn't tap any POI. Maybe you give a reaction to somewhere around here, and we are going to go down. There is this H1. M5 is mitigating up, but just took the liquidity, so it's kind of sketch to try to long here. Since you took this liquidity, I'll not try to long here. This was the M5. Took it out, came back. This looks this looks mitigated by this candle, and went up again. I will not try this long. Let's see what happens. If this long is valid, this will be the place to long. Price is very tight. Took liquidity and didn't have enough space to develop. Like if it was something like this, and then I could long here to then take this liquidity. It was already very high in the leg. But maybe we can take this high. So this was just a reaction to take this and then drop, or we take this to just break above, and we are not going down. to do. This was the POI. I think I'll wait a little bit more. Okay. Now we manipulated them 5. This looks better to long. $2.59. I want to try a little bit below. I want to try like here to give you at least 4R. And 5 manipulation. Price came down more. Now give M1 manipulation. This would be the confirmation entry. And we have this POI. I want to try to long again here. If this liquidity is enough to take here, then I should target somewhere around here, because price is not going to break. This is the problem sometimes I get to, because took liquidity from both sides. Which one is going to hold? I think instead of trying to guess which one is gonna hold, I would just try to short. I think it would be better. And following the M5, I could short right here. Oops. No, it's not this one. Yeah, it's this. Actually, this would be the whole POI. I want to short a little bit above. I could try to do something like this, but then it won't be a full hedge. I'll wait for above. And this is also another manipulation to this POI. This one is going to wait. Tap the 50%. Mm, 2.8. Let's try this one. Oh shit. Came to the... Okay, came again. Let's see if I missed something here. Took this liquidity. And 5. There was one leg. But this is all internal. That's what I don't like about this short. But it's valid. Took a high time frame PY. M5 on this leg became efficient here. Let's say this was the POI. Then we tap the POI, give a manipulation, so this should be one short. This will be the confirmation entry, this will be the manipulation M1, tap into the POI. This would be the first entry, like this. Try getting here. And then came down. This would be the second entry. The POI. One, two, came back. Yeah, I think that's correct. Let's try to do this short and this short. I only think that I am targeting too low, maybe, because some of this trade is not going to, some of this one side is definitely wrong, but I don't know which one is it. So one side is definitely going to take only the internal liquidity to then go higher. Okay, this long didn't work. Now my only concern is that we take this, tap here. I think this is also internal M5, yeah. So the M5 was here. It was from here to here, the external. Came up, came down. Maybe this is another long. If price is really going to break up. This is a if you consider this manipulation, this was in the middle of the leg. This is the at the extreme of the leg. $3.14. That's fine. Maybe these shorts were the one to target the internal range liquidity, like this. Okay. Well, this M5 actually took its target. 1, 2, came back. Target was here, was not here. So now there's no point on these longs again. This this would be the correct target. I was thinking about targeting here just because I already had the long. Maybe we go up now. Let's see. If there is another manipulation here, I'll try it. Yeah, I think it's going to go up, but this was kind of unfortunate. Took out exactly my stop loss. And I missed these shorts. Yeah. I took too long to recognize this short. They both would have. Maybe it wasn't going to be TP because I was targeting here. But this would be the correct target. Now to count H1 again, I think. Yeah, another H1. Wait for M5 manipulation. M5. POI, too long. Maybe I can long now. 25 points. 2.6864. Maybe I should wait for engulfing. There is also this candle. Let's just try. Okay. Maybe the same stuff is going to happen. Took the liquidity. 1, 2. We could short. But now, I don't know, maybe we're going to take this before. I think I'll do like this. But I'm going to put in break even after this break, because this will be the correct target. And I'll try these shorts. The only problem is the RR. This is very bad. I need to do like this. Let's try. This was the manipulation for the short. And M5 taken, entry at the candle. Let's see. Okay, broke up. This would be the correct targets. I'm just hoping that price is going to ignore all of this. Here there is on H1 there is no order block. I mean there's this. This would be the buy to sell. There's this 50%. Let's leave it like that. Let's see what happens. I don't think this is going to be H1 liquidity. Okay, please go straight up. Yeah, this is not an H1. This is not H1 liquidity. 4R is right here. I'll try 4R. Usually I do this on live markets. 4R fixed, and then I try to do trades like very far the TP. So already guaranteed 4R to pay for the stop losses. It ended up coming to the target. Took this out. This is big liquidity. Maybe you have bigger reaction. But the same problem here is here there is no imbalance. Maybe this. Maybe price is going to stop here. This is the only balance I see above this liquidity. On H4 it's nothing. There's all these liquidities below. So let's see. Can't long and can't short. Can't long yet. Now you can if price comes back here. The only problem is this. Can long. Let's see. Tap the imbalance. I want to long a little bit below. This will be the manipulation. I want to see price tapping something here. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay, if it gives a nice candle here, ended up giving nothing. I think this POI was correct because it gave a reaction. This is probably going to get taken as well. Then 5 is here. The POI. This will be the POI. Maybe price gives a M1 manipulation here. To cut them 5. Gave you only this internal. I wanna see external. Yeah, let's see external. Okay, maybe this can be. It's like this. Here, here, here. Took out above. Maybe take out below. Okay, now it's here. Okay, gave it manipulation here. But I wanna long at the extreme. Let me measure. This would be the target. Maybe like this. Okay. Oh, I forgot to short. Oh, the day is over. Tap the POI. 1, 2. 1, 2. This was the short. I forgot to short here. This could have been one short and 1, 2 broke, left the imbalance. 1, 2 came back. Basically the same POI for both. Ended up taking this high. This was there was no short here. Probably not the one here as well. I don't see it, at least. So let's see what they could have done better. Okay, so ended up going up. This long was nice, and then this long was unfortunate. This long was in the middle of the leg. Maybe I should have done that. And these shorts were nice. I should have tried. This was more than enough 4R, and this one I could have tried to target here. Because this one was a TP, let's say. And then the second one I could try to extend, you know. But anyways, this is the correct target, the first target. And then there was no longs. Maybe this was. There was one here. There was one here. Let's see, this type of longs is like in the middle of the leg. The leg was all of this. That's why I didn't want to try that. And then we took out each one, waited for the M5. This one was nice. Took out the M5 and went to 4R. Actually went very high. The short was also okay. Maybe price was going to go down a little bit more, take these lows to then go up. So this short was fine. It was the same one as this. And here I got a little bit confusing. Tap the POI, the imbalance. That's why it's important to mark the imbalance, the high time frame imbalance. You never know when it's going to give a reaction. Sometimes it just goes straight up and sometimes it stops here. This M5 can be to this was the POI for this M5, so maybe price can still stop here and then keep going up, but for now it's mitigating down. And here we didn't find any shorts. Came down, came up, we broke. There was no manipulation here. To take this trade, the only way was, oh, price was very fucked here. 1, 2. The M5 was here. It came maybe here or here. Very confusing. Came down. Yeah, I think it was this one. Came down, came up, came down. Yeah, I think it was this one. The PY was this. A lot of wicks above. I will definitely use this as this stop. I gave it the candle here. Maybe could have tried this if I had seen it, but it was not going to get taken. Price didn't tap here. So yeah, that's it. Let's see, made basically 4R. I think that's nice. 6 trades, 4R. That's nice. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.